If you're trying to figure out how to make money online, but you feel lost in all the advice that's out there, you're not alone. We've spent the last year researching, learning, and testing what actually works. And that's why in this video, we're gonna go over what digital marketing is, the 2 different types of digital marketing, and 5 of the main digital marketing strategies, all while highlighting the key things that you need to prepare for when getting started. And stick around to the end, because we're gonna go over exactly how people are using one of these digital marketing strategies to generate just under 300K a month. Before we get started, here's the thing. Most beginners tend to fail because they focus on the wrong things first, including us. We thought digital marketing was just gonna be about running ads or posting content. However, without a clear strategy, we were just burning money and getting nowhere. That's why we're gonna break it down step by step, so that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how digital marketing works, you'll have a rough idea of what to focus on to actually start seeing results. So if you're thinking about building your own brand or diving into a specific digital marketing strategy, it's crucial to understand the skills that you need to get good at before you jump in headfirst. Now let's start off with what digital marketing actually is. You know how back in the day, businesses would advertise with TV commercials, billboards, and newspaper ads. That's traditional marketing. It worked, but it was expensive, hard to track, and kind of hit or miss. Yeah, think about it. If you put up a billboard, you have no idea how many people actually saw it, let alone if they cared. You're just hoping that someone pays attention. In today's age, people aren't staring at billboards. They're addicted to their phones, scrolling through TikTok, binge watching YouTube, and Googling things like how to get rich without working a 9 to 5. This shift over the years has made digital marketing more powerful than ever, allowing businesses to connect directly with their ideal customers where they're spending most of their time. But it's not just about throwing ads everywhere. It's about using smart strategies to get the right message in front of the right people at the right time. Think about it. When was the last time you bought something online? You probably saw an ad on Instagram. Maybe you watched a YouTube review that convinced you it was amazing. Or you Googled it and clicked on the first website that popped up. That's digital marketing at work. Think of Elon Musk, who had to blow up a few rockets before getting it right. Or Mr. Beast, who made YouTube videos for years before anyone cared. A lot of beginners expect instant results from digital marketing. They think they're gonna start running ads or posting content tomorrow and start making money straight away. It just doesn't work like that. We get it because we used to think that too, but the reality is it takes testing, learning, and failing before figuring out what actually worked. The most successful digital marketers didn't get it right on their first try. They tested different ads to see which one performed the best, tried multiple strategies before finding the right one, and they analyzed data to understand what was working and what didn't. If you stick with it and learn from your mistakes, digital marketing can become a high-income skill that pays you for life. So we've got a bit of a scenario for you guys. You've got this awesome product, idea, or service, and you're wondering, how do I get the word out so fast? Well, there are 2 main types of digital marketing: paid marketing and organic marketing. Trust me, it's super simple to understand. Yeah, so let's break it down. Paid marketing is when you actually pay to promote your product or service. This could be running ads on platforms like Google, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, but it can also be you paying someone. So for example, like an influencer to post content about a product review or even just talk about your personal brand. A perfect example of this is, let's say you're scrolling through Instagram and out of nowhere, an ad pops up for a pair of shoes you've been eyeing. It's got a catchy caption like "last chance to grab these before they're gone" and a shop now button. Before you know it, you've clicked on the ad, made that purchase, and there you go. That's the magic of paid marketing. But here's the thing, paid marketing is fast. You can get your product or service in front of your audience almost immediately. However, it's not free. You have to be willing to spend a bit of money. When starting out, you have to decide what you're most comfortable with doing. Exactly, and that's why knowing your return on investment, your ROI, is crucial. Think of it like this. If you spend $10 on ads, you want to know if those ads are making you more than $10 back. If not, you have to readjust your strategy. That's why you need to track your key performance indicators, known as KPIs. These are things like clicks, conversions, or sales to actually help see if your ads are doing the right job. Once you get paid ads right, they're one of the most powerful strategies to start making money. They're easy to scale fast, and you can start multiplying your results. Plus, you can target your audience down to the finest details. If you wanted to target someone 18 to 25 years old who's into, I don't know, camping or fishing, you can do that. How crazy is that? Yeah, definitely. But let's talk about organic marketing. Organic marketing is just basically the opposite of paid marketing. This is where you market your content for free, like posting on Instagram, uploading YouTube videos, writing blogs, or using SEO, search engine optimization, to get noticed on Google. The thing is though, it takes time. You're not paying for ads. You're building up a reputation over time and gaining the trust of your audience. It's like investing in stocks. At first, the growth is slow. You might not see a big return right away, but over time, as you keep adding value and staying consistent, you start seeing bigger results that pay off on the long term. Organic marketing, it's the long-term game. At first, you're going to be posting and not really see the results that you're after, but once you start to get noticed and you reach a larger audience, that's when you can really make some money. But if you are looking for something a bit faster, paid ads is definitely the way to go. You get results quicker, you can reach a massive audience, and you can literally scale as fast as you want. But remember, with paid ads, you need to treat it like a business. You're investing money to get a return. The way we like to look at it, don't be afraid to take risks in life. The most successful people are built on taking risks. For sure, and no matter what path you choose, consistency is always going to be the key. Whether you're posting on Instagram every day or running ads every week, you need to make sure you are showing up. Let us know which path you would take. Drop a comment down below. But for now, let's get on to the 5 main digital marketing strategies. So now that we've basically turned you into digital marketing experts within the last few minutes, let's go over the main 7 digital marketing strategies. Whether you're growing a personal brand, running an e-commerce store, or doing affiliate marketing, mastering these 7 digital marketing strategies will put you ahead of the game. So let's break them down, starting with one of the most effective ones, search engine optimization. Have you ever Googled something like best workout apps or how to make money online and clicked on the first thing that's popped up? That's SEO in action. Businesses optimize their websites so that they show up at the top when people search for things online. And trust me, ranking high on Google is like getting free real estate on the busiest street in the suburb. You're literally the first option that people choose when looking for what they're after. But here's the thing, SEO, it's not luck, it's strategy. Google doesn't just randomly pick websites to put on page 1. From what we've seen, SEO is understanding what people are searching for and matching content to suit it. Yeah, 100%. And a perfect example, you searched up digital marketing and YouTube suggested this video. That's not an accident. It's because we made sure that our content matches what users are searching for. It's the same thing with Google. When someone searches best gaming laptops, the first few results aren't just some random blog posts about cooking or diet. They're basically fine-tuned to match exactly what you're looking for. But here's where it gets really interesting. Google doesn't just rank you based on keywords. It actually looks at how other people interact with your content. Do they spend time on your page? Do they click through to other pages? Are they sharing your content or leaving comments? All of this matters. If people engage with the content, Google do notice that and they help push you to the top. But the best part is once you do rank for the top of the search terms, you can get that free traffic for months and sometimes even years. Yeah, that means passive income, consistent leads, and a long-term strategy that works while you sleep. But here's the catch. SEO takes time. You're not going to rank at the top overnight, and that's when most people give up before actually seeing results. So while you're working on that, let's talk about a quicker way to attract an audience, content marketing. This is when you create content like YouTube videos, blog posts, or even just TikToks that provide value without directly selling anything. Think of Mr. Beast. He doesn't just sell chocolates. He creates viral videos that attract millions of viewers, and then boom, he promotes his Feastables brand. And Red Bull, same idea, just a different approach. They don't push just energy drinks. They've built an entire brand around high energy, adrenaline-filled experiences. With insane extreme sports videos, mind-blowing documentaries, and some of the craziest event sponsorships, they've made their brand feel like a lifestyle. When you think of Red Bull, you don't just think of the drink. You think of action, adventure, and pushing the limits. That's the power of content marketing. It makes people connect with a brand before they even realize they've been marketed to. We thought making money online was all about like running ads or selling products directly. The more we research, the more we realize that content is what actually builds trust, and trust leads to sales. And honestly, that's what we're trying to do with our channel. We're still learning, testing, and figuring out what works, but one thing that we have learned is that the more helpful and the more engaging your content actually is, the easier it is to attract the right audience. Now, content marketing is amazing for building trust and gaining attention, but once you do have that audience, how do you keep them engaged? That's where email marketing comes in. Think of it as the next step in nurturing those relationships you've started with your content. While content grabs people's attention, email marketing allows you to continue that conversation and really build on that trust. Email marketing might seem a bit outdated when you think about all the new social media trends, but here's the thing. Honestly, email marketing is one of the best ways to actually connect with your audience on a personal level. Think of it like this. Email is like having a direct connection straight to your audience. Unlike social media posts that can disappear just like that, your email lands right in someone's inbox. And trust me, when you do it right, people actually pay attention. Take a brand like Nike, for example. They send personalized emails to customers based on their past purchases, usually exclusive offers for a pair of shoes if someone has purchased from them before. These emails don't feel like they're just generic marketing. They feel like Nike is actually speaking to you. So they're building that relationship and just keeping you engaged. You might be surprised, but email marketing actually has one of the highest returns on investment out there. And the best part about it, it's super beginner friendly. If you're just starting out, tools like MailChimp or Klaviyo can help create and send emails out easily. If you haven't given email marketing a shot yet, or even just considered it, it's definitely worth trying. You might just want to share a special offer, or even just want to give the audience a free guide on a topic that they have shown interest in. By turning to email marketing, you can ultimately build that connection with your audience and keep them coming back for more. You ever open up TikTok just to check one DM? Next thing you know, it's 3 hours later, you've watched 17 side hustle videos, convince yourself that drop shipping will make you a millionaire by next Tuesday, and you end up signing up for something. That's exactly what social media marketing is. It's just like using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, even Snapchat to actually go and promote your products or services. Brands use these platforms to build a following, create engagement, and turn casual viewers into loyal customers. A perfect example of that is Apple's Shot on the iPhone campaign. They encourage people with iPhones to post high quality photos taken on their phones using the hashtag Shot on iPhone. Over 16 million people added hashtags just on Instagram. That's basically free marketing from millions of users, and they don't even realize they're doing it. From then, iPhone cameras have been the standard for mobile camera quality. When people saw photos that good, they didn't think, oh, that's a cool picture. They thought, I want my photos to look that good as well. I need an iPhone. And just like that, social media marketing turned casual scrolls on social media platforms into serious brand loyalty. Another example of social media marketing is Gymshark's influencer marketing campaign. Instead of running traditional ads, Gymshark partnered with fitness influencers on platforms like Instagram and TikTok to actually promote their workout gear. They didn't just use professional athletes, they worked with everyday people who actually go to the gym and fitness creators who were already sharing their workout routines with their followers. These influencers, they were showing off their Gymshark gear whilst doing their regular workouts. This led to more people seeing it and then eventually buying it. Now here's the thing, whether you're running email marketing, paid ads, or posting on social media, none of it really matters if you're not paying attention to what is actually working. Now this is where data and analytics come in. Now here's the thing, whether you're running email marketing, paid ads, or posting on social media, none of it really matters if you're not paying attention to what is actually working. This is where data and analytics come in. For example, tools like Google Analytics are essential to see who's visiting your site, what they're looking at, and how long they are sticking around. Social media insights are a game changer for tracking engagement and actually knowing what kind of audience your content loves. Take Netflix, for example. They track everything, what you're watching, how long you're watching, when you pause. It's insane. All the data helps them recommend shows and movies that actually keep you hooked. And it works, right? We keep subscribing. When it comes down to it, data helps you make smarter decisions instead of just guessing what's working. The more you track, the more you're able to see what needs to be improved, and you can start seeing positive results. And lastly, we've got affiliate marketing. If you've made it this far, honestly, you're one of the lucky ones, because we're about to go over the strategy that's making someone 300,000 USD in 1 month. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? Think of it like this. You don't have to create your own product to make money. All you have to do is recommend someone else's product to your audience, and when they buy through your link, you earn a commission. It's like being the middleman, but in the best way possible. Pretty simple, right? Here's the thing, yeah? People buy stuff every single day, and to be more specific, humans spend over $4.9 billion online worldwide every 24 hours, which is just nuts. But they don't always know what to buy or where to get it from. And that's where you come in. Whether you're promoting products through blogs, YouTube videos, or social media ads, you're helping people find out what they actually need, and you get paid for it. What makes affiliate marketing so powerful in this day and age is that you can choose your barrier to entry. You can either take the free route, which is creating and posting content on social media, YouTube, or blogs, or you can take the paid route, which is running ads on platforms like YouTube and Instagram to promote products. Now, they both have their pros and cons, but if you're someone who's committed to making money online and you want to get there as quickly as possible, then the paid strategy would be best suited. The best part about this affiliate marketing strategy is that it's super scalable. We've noticed that the top affiliates, once they've got their systems in place, it's so much easier to replicate and just keep printing money. Your income can literally just keep growing, whether you're eating, sleeping, or binge watching Netflix. People are always buying things online, so if you don't get on this now, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. Now here's where it gets exciting. The strategy that has made this one person over 300K in just 1 month. Yes, you heard that right. 300K. It is pretty insane. Most people don't even make that work in 4 or 5 years, and this person's made it in just 1 month. If that doesn't get you fired up to try something new, I don't know what will. Nathan and I are actually working on this exact same strategy. We haven't cracked it yet, but I guess that's all just part of the journey of trying to learn, you know? We're just here to show you what it's like as beginners. We're walking in your footsteps and we're learning along the way. But yeah, this is an affiliate marketing strategy that is taking full advantage of AI to make these insane amount of money. And as AI is growing faster than ever, the best time to take this opportunity is now. You don't want to miss the boat. While these numbers might seem crazy, this is hands down one of the fastest ways to start seeing results with affiliate marketing. We'll leave a link down below so you can go check it out and see if it's something that might suit you. And if you're interested in other ways to make money online, we actually break down 7 easy methods in another video. And it's suitable for anyone, no matter how much experience you've got. So if you want any more new ideas, go check this one out. But yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you got some value out of that one, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one.